2017 750 BMW V8 twin turbo. Guys, this thing's a beast, tank of a car. We're doing the Muffy D on that thing. You see Marcelo fabricating them pipas, all right? Got the Muffy D right there, chopping that thing off, running the bypass pipes. Gonna make this thing sound sick, guys. We got the Muffy D pretty much set out back. Later on in the future, if you did want to upgrade this a little bit more, you got the dual in, dual out resonators. You pop them both off. If you want it more aggressive, pop an Xpipe on there to equalize flow. Flow off of flow equals more flow. It's straight math, guys, all right? So do the math, pop an Xpipe on your V8 twin turbo, get better equalization, more performance, better sound quality. Look up on our, maybe we have a video for you guys. Check out the YouTube. Maybe what does the Xpipe do? If we don't have it, it's coming soon, guys, so look out for it. So on the 750 Li, never mind, 750i, you really can't change the tips on this thing unless you get a rear diffuser. You open up this back end, then maybe we could put some tips on there, but these are actually bezels. They're not real tips. It's cosmetic. It's a German thing. You guys wouldn't understand unless you speak Germany. All right, so pop these things off, maybe get an aftermarket diffuser. As of right now, you can't really do anything. Leave these, make it look clean, make it look stock. OEM, baby, all right? We're doing nothing but OEM looks here, guys. So 750, factory tips. Later on, if you decide to change the diffuser, make it look like, you know, an 8 series, you know, with the quads possibly. But I like the OEM look. So I'm just tacking. I don't really do much welding, but just tacking for the guys, trying to move the pace, you know. Don't look at the welds, guys. So there are very few systems available for these cars. You can get maybe a Dynan or a Miltech or, you know, maybe some European brands out there, but they're crazy expensive, guys. If you don't want to spend $3,000, $4,000, you come see us. You hit up G, you hit up J, the managers at both locations. You see, hey, I want some more sound on my 750. We hit you with a couple different options. We get you some modification, like a resonator delete, muffler delete. We can even do a custom system. Like I said, save you a ton of money on these bolt-on kits. They're crazy overpriced, and for the most part, I hate when I say that. So Jay, next time mention it to me, please. Thanks. And so the bolt-on kits are very expensive. We specialize in custom exhaust, especially on cars like this. So if you don't want to spend $3,000, $4,000, you come see us. We give you a few different options. We do a muffler delete, custom axle back system, some new performance mufflers in the back, maybe a custom mid-pipe with an Xpipe. We're basically replicating these high-end kits for half the price, a quarter of the price sometimes, guys. So hit us up if you got any questions. You got a car like this, a Mercedes, BMW, you know, Audi, A8, 7 Series, S-Class, boom, S-Class. We got it, all right? We could do custom systems on pretty much anything, guys. So hit us up over here at G Exhaust Davie or G Exhaust Oakland or GExhaust.com, G Exhaust Instagram, Straight Pipe by G Exhaust on YouTube, you know? Throw some comments in there, guys. Don't be assholes. Comment on the post, please. Thanks, guys. 750, all done. Got this thing Muffy D'd up, bro. No Diddy. Marcel, give me some reps. I mean, sounds clean, classy, nothing crazy loud, but for the most part, this is all you need on this car. Make it sound like an Alpina, boys. All right, 750 V8 twin turbo, Muffy D, G Exhaust, GExhaust.com.